Hi, my name is Keith Long, and I am a product support lead at Shimadzu Scientific Instruments for our line of TOC or total organic carbon analyzers. In this video, I will discuss the annual maintenance required for the TNM-L or total nitrogen module, and I will demonstrate how to replace the gasket in the detector, as well as the CO2 absorber and the ozone killing catalyst tube. The TNM-L or total nitrogen module is an optional accessory that can be mounted to the top of any TOC-L to perform nitrogen measurements in aqueous samples. There are 3 items that need to be replaced periodically in the TNM-L module to maintain the instrument and assure lab safety. First, the gasket in the detector needs replaced once a year because it can become brittle over time from exposure to ozone. Ozone is required for detection of nitrogen in the TNM-L detector. Second, there is an ozone-killing catalyst tube that needs to be replaced on an annual basis to assure no ozone is vented to the lab. Any unreacted ozone from the TNM-L detector needs to be removed before the exhaust is vented into the lab. This is achieved by passing the exhaust through an ozone-killing catalyst tube that is filled with manganese dioxide to remove any unreacted ozone. Third, there is a CO2 absorber that the instrument exhaust passes through after the ozone catalyst tube and before the exhaust is vented to the lab. The CO2 absorber will also absorb ozone, so it acts as a last line of defense against ozone being vented to the lab. To perform the maintenance, you will need a new black viton gasket, a new pre-packed ozone catalyst tube, new black exhaust tube, a white CO2 absorber, and a Phillips head screwdriver. It is also a good idea to have some Kim wipes and alcohol on hand to clean the TNM-L detector window. Before you perform any maintenance to your TOC-L, make sure the TOC is powered off and that the furnace is cool enough to touch so you don't burn yourself at any time while performing this maintenance. The first thing you need to do is remove the cover of the TNM-L and the right side panel of the TOC-L. On the back of the TNM-L, remove these screws, then the cover just lifts off. To remove the right side cover of the TOC-L, all you need to do is loosen 4 screws, 2 in the front and 2 in the back, then the panel simply pulls off. The detector in the TNM-L is located here. All you need to do is remove these 4 screws and the detector will pull apart. The black viton gasket that seals the detector is here. Carefully remove it. Right here is the window of the detector. It can be gently cleaned using a Kim wipe moistened with some alcohol. The gasket has a flat side and a side with a ridge. Now the new gasket can be inserted and the detector can be screwed back together. Make sure the flat side goes towards the detector window. We will move on to replacing the ozone-killing catalyst tube, which runs down the side of the furnace. The exhaust from the TNM-L flows through this viton tube, through the catalyst tube, then out the side of the TOC and through the white CO2 absorber. First, disconnect the black exhaust tube from the white CO2 absorber. Next, remove the black tube from the top of the catalyst tube. Carefully lift the catalyst tube up and out of the instrument with the other end of the black tube still connected to the bottom of the catalyst tube. Be careful and feed the black tube through the right side of the instrument as necessary as you pull the catalyst tube up and out. Then, disconnect this black tubing from the outlet of the TNM-L detector and remove it. Take the new viton exhaust tube and connect one end to the new catalyst tube. Then insert the new catalyst tube in the slot next to the furnace. Feed the other end of the black viton exhaust tube up through the bottom of the TNM-L and connect it to the metal exhaust tube here, coming out of the TNM-L detector. The old black outlet tube from the old catalyst tube can be reused on the new tube. Pull the old one off the old tube and attach it to the bottom of the new catalyst tube. Run the other end out through the holes in the right side cover of the TOC-L. Replace both the cover on the TNM-L and the right side panel of the TOC. Connect the end of the black exhaust tube to the new CO2 absorber, making sure to connect it to the port labeled L on the new absorber. This concludes the annual maintenance required for the TNM-L total nitrogen module. Thank you for joining me, and check out our website for more Shimadzu YouTube videos.